Hi, my name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a video today. It's to accompany one of our Etsy listings, and it's for this beautiful drum just here. Okay, so this is an 18-inch diameter shamanic drum. It has a horse skin head. Now this is a very thick horse skin, and as a consequence it's quite a heavy drum. So I thought I'm going to throw that in. I'll put the actual link to the listing below the video, and the weight of the drum will be on there, but yeah, because it's so thick it does add to the weight. It's got an ashwood frame. I think it's, oh no, sorry, an oak wood frame. So I put horse and oak, burnt that on the inside of the frame there. Birthed on the 16th of November. I put that on the inside there as well, in Knighton, Powys, UK. That's for the astrological aspects of the drum, along with my maker's mark as well. Horse chestnut branch handle, which is rather beautiful. I love the horse chestnut bark. It's beautiful. It's laced with artificial sinew. So yeah, so the purpose of the video really is to have a listen to the sound. So I'm going to play with a firm beater and a softer beater. Both give a slightly different sound. So yeah, I'm going to start with a firmer beater. Here we go. It's got a very beautiful, rich sound, I would say. Lots of different timbres and tonal qualities to the skin. This is a softer beater. Lovely. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision. So it's nice to be able to have a listen. That's why I make these little videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Crow from Driftwood Hollow Drums. Bye for now.